Hello students, welcome to the session. I hope you all are doing good. Our topic for today is Windows. In this session, we will learn about Windows. It is not about the glass window which we see at our home, which help us to see the view. It is about the software, it is about the program that runs computer. In this session, we will understand about the program of computer which is called as Windows. We will basically understand about Windows 7. Let us start the session to understand it more clearly.
Children, in this chapter we will know about windows. So tell me, what is window? Which image comes to your mind? Yes, it is the glass window through which we can keep outside and can have various views.
Likewise, in computers, window is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. There are different versions of Windows available in the market, like Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7.
Remember,
Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows. Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system that Microsoft has produced for the use on personal computers. It allows your computer to manage software and perform essential tasks. It is also a graphical user interface that allows you to visually interact with your computer's functions in a logical, fun, and easy way. Starting Windows 7. Go with these steps to start Windows 7. First, turn on the electric switch from the board. Second, turn on the power button from the CPU and the monitor. Third, then the Windows 7 welcome screen appears. Fourth, after some time, the Windows 7 desktop appears.
So students, I hope you all are now aware what is Windows and what is Windows 7. Now you are also aware how to start it. Further, now we will understand the screen elements of Windows. The Windows have many screen elements. Let us start that one by one.
Screen elements of Windows 7. Windows 7 screen has many components. Look at the above picture carefully and try to understand different components. Desktop is the first screen that we see when Windows 7 starts. It is the area where we work. The small pictures displayed on the left side of the desktop screen are called icons. For example,
my computer,
Network, Internet Explorer, Recycle Bin. This button is called Start button. It is located at the bottom on the left side of the desktop screen. It contains many menus and sub-menus which allow us to open many different programs on the computer. It is called Start menu. It contains a list of all the programs which are present in the computer. We can open these programs by clicking on them. Given below is the list of programs on the Start menu. We can also display various programs, shortcuts, and folders on desktop screen as icons. Gadgets are some extra icons that we can display on the desktop like clock, calendar, weather, reports, etc. We can display these gadgets anywhere on the desktop. Taskbar is a bar that spans at the bottom of the screen and contains the Start button on the left side. The taskbar also includes the current time on the right side. It can also hold shortcuts to programs directly to the right of the Start button. These icons are the shortcuts of some programs contained in Windows 7. These are also called Quick Launcher. We can access them with a single click. This icon helps us to play music and videos in Windows Media Player. This icon displays the Internet Explorer. This icon helps us to open the local disk and folders. time and date is displayed at the bottom on the right side of the desktop screen. We can change either of them by clicking on it. We can access any program with a double click on the name or icon of the program. Notification icons. These icons display the network connection, Windows updates, and other updates which are happening on the computer.
Remember,
Control panel is a management tool in Start menu that allows the users to change the settings and manage the task within the OS.
I hope students you all are finding it interesting. Now further we will understand what all you can do in Windows. Windows has many features and many things to do. Let us understand what are the other features you can avail in Windows.
What can you do in Windows 7? Aero. Aero is an interface that makes your visual interactions with the desktop fun and easy. Aero Peek makes the open windows transparent so you can see your desktop. It also allows you to peek at items in your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. Aero Snap is a quick way to resize your windows to make them easier to read, organize, and compare. Aero Flip allows you to preview all open windows from a central window or 3D view that you can flip through. Aero Shake allows you to take your mouse and shake only the open window you want to focus on, and the rest will disappear. Closing Windows 7. After completing our work on the computer, we should close Windows before switching off the power supply button. Go with these steps to close Windows 7. First, click on the Start button on the taskbar. Start menu will disappear. Second, click on Shutdown button on the Start menu in the bottom right corner. Windows 7 will be closed. Now we can switch off the power supply button. Memory recall. Windows 7 allows your computer to manage software and perform essential tasks. Desktop is the first screen that we see when Windows 7 starts. We can display various program shortcuts and folders on desktop screen as icons. Taskbar is located at the bottom of the desktop screen. Taskbar icons are shortcuts of some programs contained in Windows 7. We can shut down the computer by clicking the Shutdown button on the Start menu.
That's all students for today's session of Windows. I hope you all are very much aware about Windows 7 now, how to start it, how to shut it down, what are the screen elements, and what all you can do on Windows 7. That's all for today's session. Have a good time ahead.